Third change, the occupancy classification got more granular, and this matters more than it sounds. The old A through somewhere grouping has been expanded. There's a new group for mixed use buildings, which, let's be honest, is most of what actually gets built now. A tower with retail at the base, offices in the middle, apartments on top used to be an awkward fit. Now it has a home in the code. Business occupancies have been split to recognize buildings we didn't really have a category for before, data centers being the obvious example. A data center is not an office. It has a completely different fire load, different suppression logic, different people density. Giving it its own classification means it finally gets requirements that fit it. Same logic extends to things like underground retail. Why should you care? Because the entire fire strategy of a building now flows from getting its classification right. Misclassify the building, and every downstream requirement you pull will be the wrong one. In the old code, you could sometimes get away with a rough fit. In NBCS, the fit is the foundation. Now, here's a change that will change your daily workflow. In the old code, there was essentially one master table for firefighting installations, one table you'd go to figure out what a building needs: wet riser, downcomer, sprinklers, hose reels, hydrants, and so on. That single table is gone. In its place, you now have a family of tables. Think of it as one table per occupancy, laid out group by group, plus dedicated tables for water storage requirements. The practical effect is simple but important. You can no longer apply one generic set of firefighting requirements across a mixed portfolio. You go to your building's occupancy, you read its table. A hospital's requirements, a mall's requirements, a data center's requirements, they now live in their own rows, tuned to that building type.